Hello guys, today I'm very excited for showing you this product that I have, that it's an electrical eyelashes curler. And then when we open it, we can see that it comes just like the charger here, and it comes the electrical product. And well, here it's for charging, and here it's the bottom to press. If you press one time, it turns off. Okay, like you can see there, it's that green light. And I think that I need to leave it here a few moments. Right now I'm going to be taking my makeup off for showing you the real effect, and then I came to show you this product, how it works. Okay guys, like you can see, I already take all my makeup off, and first I want to show you how it looks. My eyebrows, that you can see there, they look like down. So I'm going to be showing you the real effect. I already have it turned it on, and I'm waiting until it gets like a little bit more heat, because okay, I think that I can do it like this. I'm going to get my mirror, and then I'm going to show you. I'm going to be showing you. Okay, I already have it there, and I think that I'm going to leave it like this for a few seconds, maybe 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to take it off. Whoa, it was the first time. Look how beautiful they look. I'm going to do it another time. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we open it, and look how beautiful they look. You can see there the difference between this one and this one. Okay, I'm going to turn this side. Okay, I think that I want to do it another time. Let me. Okay, there, and 1, 2, and really, like you can see, I'm not doing like a lot of pressure here in this part. I'm just leaving it like that. Okay, I take it off, and look how beautiful they get, the lashes. Whoa, I'm super excited with this product. I like it a lot. What do you think about? Look how beautiful it looks. Like this eye, it looks down, and this one, it looks better with my lashes curled. So I hope you like it.